In this video, you will learn how to access the library's many digital resources from home. First, open a web browser and navigate to the library's website. The URL is nwpl.ca. Hover your cursor over the Online Resources tab and select Resources A to Z. You can also search by subject. On this page, you will find a complete list of all the e-resources that you can access for free with your library card. There is a lot to choose from. You could learn a new language, read digital versions of newspapers and magazines, or pick up a new skill via online training, just to name a few. Just click on the resource that you are interested in accessing. Note that while many are available from home, some can be accessed in library only. From here, follow the link to the website and sign in using your library card number and PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. That's it, you're ready to go. If you need any further help with this, contact us at askus@nwpl.ca. We hope you enjoyed learning how you can still use the library while at home. We hope to see you in person again soon.